Hello everybody, I hope you're doing well in your neck of the woods this weekend. It is Sunday, and I went out. I found a good cookbook sale as well as one other thing, which probably already know what the one other thing at least pertains to, but we're going to save that for last. So I just wanted to share some of these cookbooks with you because they looked pretty neat. Let me know if you've ever used them or if there's anything in them that you want to see first. So the first one I found was the Margaret Redken Pepperidge Farm cookbook. I'm going to assume it is that same Pepperidge Farm. When I opened it, I believe it is because it's got all these cute little illustrations throughout it. And so, I mean, I just had to get it just because of that, because they were adorable. So, this one's got cheese souffle, seafood bisque. Already done that. This one has salmon in it. Cold avocado soup, pink soup. Wonderful uncooked summer soup, served icy cold. Okay, like a vichyssoise, but we call it pink soup. It says it has a long Russian name, but we call it pink soup. That's not the ingredients for vichyssoise, so it's similar. They've got, because there's vichyssoise right there. Dang, that's an easy recipe for their vichyssoise. Must be nice. It's got all kinds of desserts, stewed tomatoes, fried green tomatoes. Oh yeah, this one's gonna be a good one. Cornbread. Ooh, let's see. Milk, sugar, salt, butter, warm water. Okay. 2 packages of yeast. Let's see. 2 eggs, flour, cornmeal. It's about the same. So this one's gonna be fun. Again, Pepperidge Farm cookbook. So I'm excited about that one. Chef Shu's Distinctive Cuisine of China. And see, I like picture books, like more ones that might potentially have pictures that tell you how to do it. Ooh, shrimp ball soup. Mushu pork. Prawns and lobster sauce. Oh yeah, this one's definitely gonna be a good one. That one's gonna be amazing. Let's see. This one was one of my personal favorites, Home Cooking the Costco Way. And the reason why I say that is I don't know if, I kind of thumbed through it, so I don't know if they're telling you to buy this stuff at Costco or if these are, okay, yeah, they're telling you to buy this stuff at Costco. Because I have a Microsoft cookbook written by the employees of Microsoft. I have volume 2. If I could ever find volume 1, I want it. So if you ever see a Microsoft cookbook, let me grab it so you know what it looks like. If you ever see Microsoft cookbook volume 1, grab it for me. I'll pay you for it. I want it. Thank you. Okay, so yeah, this is Home Cooking the Costco Way, and it was $1, so I couldn't resist. Got some good looking recipes. So, we'll give that one a try too. This one, you couldn't pass it up. Richard Simmons' Never Say Diet cookbook. And as you can see, this was when he was just fresh off the scene. It's got testimonials of ladies on the back who lost weight, I guess, with his program. It's got stretches for people who work at home. So it's kind of a book and recipes. So like, here's one, his Eggs Benedict. It says, forget the hollandaise and the Holland nights and just enjoy. So, I mean, that right there is Cookbook Gold. So, Richard Simmons Never Say Diet Cookbook. Okay, next I have the Pirate's House Cookbook from Savannah, Georgia. I've actually been there before. And so, Pirate's House. So, asparagus casserole, Cuban black beans, Creole steak, Kansas City rib roast. Yeah, this one's gonna be good. I can already tell it. And then, I've seen this one before. I've never gotten it. Dungeness Crabs and Blackberry Cobblers, the Northwest Heritage Cookbook. So, it's got some goodies such as mixed greens with raspberry vinaigrette and chevre, French Prairie raspberry cherry sauce, the Blackberry Cobbler Duo, elderberry dumplings. This one will be wild crawfish with fresh dill. Sounds good. And then that was all the cookbooks I got. So now for the main attraction. Like I said, you probably already know what it pertains to, but I've never seen one of these before ever. So this is my first time ever seeing this. And let me show it to you. It is a 101 Dalmatians telephone. So I'm gonna have to get home phone service just so y'all can call me and I can hear it bark. Because it's got a bark, ring, or off selection. It's definitely gonna be on bark. And yes, so 101 Dalmatians phone. Like I said, never seen it before ever, so that was definitely a steal right there. So that was what my Sunday consisted of. What did you do this weekend? Comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. I really enjoy spending it with you. You have a good rest of your weekend and a good week. Thank you. Bye-bye.